Hi guys, this is Poninator. This weekend I got two new zippos. First one I got was from my brother. He got it in Washington, D.C. This is a special edition. Let me get it real quick. This is a special edition hard rock zippo, and I have it in the mirror finish. You can see my reflection right there. Hi guys. There it is right there. Next one I got from my granddad. Well, I call him granddad. Grandpa, whatever. From my granddad. And it's like from the 70s. But it does light. I had to fix it. Oh, it's really nice. They all work flawlessly, and if it wouldn't have worked, I would have sent it into Zippo, because they fix everything that you send in that doesn't work. And real quick, I'm gonna refer you guys to my brother's channel on YouTube. It's Master Assassin 9 on YouTube. It's all lowercase, and then it's just the number 9. It's MasterAssassin 9. Have a good day.